Hello students, welcome to your 5th math class. We are doing our chapter 4 fractional number. Today we will start our worksheet number 10. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SGJ DAV School Haripura. In this worksheet number 10 we will read about the reciprocals. How we get the reciprocals? From a fractional number. Fractional number is in the form of P upon Q, and how we get the reciprocal of this number? P is the numerator and Q is the denominator. When we interchange these numerator and denominator, it means numerator become denominator and denominator become the numerator, means number become Q upon P. Then this is the reciprocal of this P upon Q number. It means in order to get the reciprocal, we interchange numerator and denominator. Let's do with the questions. Question number 1 is find the reciprocal of first part is 2 by 3. And how we get the reciprocal? Reciprocal of 2 by 3. Interchange their numbers. 3 is the denominator, take it in the numerator, and 2 is the numerator and keep it in the denominator. It means 3 by 2 is the reciprocal. Let's see the B part. B part is 5 by 12. Now reciprocal of 5 by 12. This is interchange it 12 by 5. And their C part is 1 by 12. The reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1. And let's see the one E part, that is 1. 1 has no denominator. It means their denominator is 1. It means reciprocal of 1 is again 1. It means 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसका रेसिप्रोकल सेम नंबर ही है. Let's see the fractional mixed fractional number, that is G part. 5 is to 2 by 3. तो firstly change it into the fraction. Mixed fraction में है, fraction में change करेंगे. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17 upon 3. Now you have to find the reciprocal of 17 by 3, and the reciprocal is 3 by 17. Let's see one more part. H part. 33 is to 1 by 3. Convert it into the fraction. 33 3s are 99. 99 plus 1, that is 100 by 3. Now write their reciprocal. Reciprocal of 100 by 3, that is 3 by 100. Like this you have to complete this question number 1. Now let's see the question number 2. Question number 2 is state whether these are reciprocal of each other. कि reciprocal हैं each other के नहीं. Then how can we check? Their method is when we multiply the number and their reciprocal. कि number को और उसके reciprocal को product करेंगे. When their product is 1, it means they are the reciprocal of each other. Let's see the first part, 1 by 2 and other part 2. This number is given and multiply these two numbers. 1 by 2 multiply with the 2. 2 has no denominator. It means its denominator is 1. 2 cut with the 2. It means 1. Their product is 1. Then write here. Their product is 1. Therefore, they are reciprocal of each other. Let's see the B part. It's 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Find their product. 3 by 2 multiply 3 by 2. Cut nahi hote. 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. It means here you write their product is not equal to 1. Therefore, they are not the reciprocal of each other. See the C part. 5 by 9 and 9 by 5. And find their product. These are cut. Their product is 1. Similarly, same line, their product is 1. Therefore, they are reciprocal of each other. We write here. Similarly, let's see some mixed fractional number. E part is in which one number is mixed fractional. 5 is to 1 by 3 and 1 is 16 by 3. Firstly, convert it into the fractional number. 3 5s are 15, 15 and 1 16 by 3 and 16 by 3. Now find their product. 16 by 3 multiply with the 16 by 3. Now multiply it. 16 with the 16. 6 6 the 36. 3 is the carry. 6 1 the 6 and 3 carry 9. Multiply it with the 1. 6 9 and 6 15 2. It means this is 256 upon now 3 3s are 9. Same line here. Their product is not equal to 1. Therefore, they are not the reciprocal of each other. कि अगर product 1 आती है then we write their product is 1 and then they are reciprocal of each other. If their product is not equal to 1 then they are not the reciprocal of each other. Now let's see the fill-ups of this worksheet. First fill-up is 1 by 8 multiply with the dash number and product is 1. अब किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा प्रोडक्ट 1? इट मीन्स दे आर रेसिप्रोकल. इट मीन्स यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद द 8 by 1. दिस इज द fill-up. नेक्स्ट 1 by 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद द 3 कि अपने रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट क्या आ जाएगी 1. सी पार्ट है 5 by 11 मल्टीप्लाई विद द डैश. their product is 1. 1 प्रोडक्ट कब बनेगी? when it is multiplied with their reciprocal. It means 11 by 5 is the fill-up. D part is dash multiply with the 6 by 13 then their product is 1. तो 6 by 13 मल्टीप्लाई होके क्या आएगा? 1 बनने के लिए किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? with their reciprocal. 13 by 6 is the reciprocal. Now E part is dash is multiply with the 3 is to 1 by 3. अब यहाँ किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? उसके रेसिप्रोकल से. तो रेसिप्रोकल के लिए हमें इसको पहले फ्रैक्शन से करना पड़ेगा. 3 3s are 9, 9 and 1 10. It means this is 10 by 3 and their reciprocal is 3 by 10. And the last fill up is 7 is to 1 by 3 multiply with the dash and their product is 1. 1 प्रोडक्ट के लिए फिर क्या चाहिए? इसका रेसिप्रोकल. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में या फ्रैक्शन में करोगे 3 7s are 21 and 1 22 by 3. तो रेसिप्रोकल क्या बनेगा? 3 by 22. Now your fill-ups are complete. Now your worksheet number 10 is completed. Now you complete this worksheet. Thank you.